wait over there, okay? Come.
Bottlenose dolphin. She was named after the goddess of hula. This is Lecker. And last but certainly not least is our Pacific bottlenose dolphin. His name means a mighty sea wind. This is Kai Makani.
Polynesian wayfinders have some very special ways of
makes the wolf and its own independent species. The false killer whale is a different species from the killer whale.
More and a greeting.
It's the false killer whale.
Spirit of love and respect. Hawaii has people and its aina, the land and the sea. The ocean does not belong to us, but it is
I got our trainer Stephanie in the water with Waimanalo and Kuhio.
The zoom feature on this is immense.
You know, we can leave in two groups. Like, one group leave at 2:30 and that one leave at 3.
You can see it.
What is it? Oh, where is it? Think it's a sea lion?
Hello, sir.
Says, who's got a fish for me? Who's got a fish?
You still have ears.
There you go. Come on, this way. Come on. Yeah. One got the baby. Only one year. Alexander and Dexter. It sounds like an answer. Oh no! Come here. Try picking that up. It's hard. Oh, so I see people.
I don't think that food is for the stingray. Or I think that might be a manta. I don't know. Oh, it's a stingray, right? Aha! Attaboy.
Oh, look, it's breathing. It's breathing. Oh, you got it.
Are cliff dwellers, and they're also like all they do is they nest up in the cliffs, and then when they do take off, they're able to hop up into one of those thermals that come off of the mountainside, and they can sit there for weeks at a time and just glide. And then to eat, they go down and they pluck fish out of the water. So I guess if they were feeling hot, they could go like.
So these are babies. Look how small they are.
He thinks it's a pacifier. You want to go on the skate over there?
That's the Dolphin Encounter over there.
Oh yeah, yeah. Are they wearing? I guess if you wear just like swimsuit, then.
Yeah, that one definitely is a youngster.
Yeah. It's teething. Yeah, I just like the story about how, you know, they were going through and looking at all the Hawaiian words for things, and they're like, oh, I wonder what the Hawaiian word for dolphin is, and they just couldn't find anything.
It was because it was sharp.
Yeah. It was Professor Kilanani, I think. One of your professors? Yeah, she's one of the people in Hokulea, or the sister kid. Oh. And yeah, I didn't know that. It was the first semester at HCC, and I had this huge Hawaiian studies professor. It was really great, but I had no idea.
A very active role raising the baby. In about 3 or 4 weeks, the baby is going to same size as the mom and dad. Yeah.
Wow, that's fast.
Some predators. Oh, look, Wayne's coming out.